How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss subtraction in this class. Here are the contents which we will discuss in this class. First is revision. Firstly, we will take the revision of the previous class. Second, subtraction without borrowing. Third is subtraction with borrowing. Please note down in your notebook. Children, in the previous class I gave you homework and I hope you have completed it. Let's discuss the homework. Now write the number name using international place value chart. First of all, we will write short form at the top of each digit. After that, we will put commas according to the periods of international place value chart. Now we will read number names according to the international place value chart. 1,521,033. For the next question, we will write short form at the top of the digit. After that, we will put commas according to the periods of the international place value chart. Then we read number names according to the international place value chart. 70,225,802. For the next question, we will write short form at the top of the each digits. After that, we will put commas according to the periods of the international place value chart, and then we read the number name according to the international place value chart. 3,500,162. For the next question, we will write short form at the top of the each digit. After that, we will put commas according to the period of the international place value chart, and then we read the number name according to international place value chart. 856,123. Please note down in your notebook. Now we will discuss about subtraction. When smaller number is subtracted from large number is called subtraction. The number obtained after subtraction is called the difference of the two numbers. Properties of subtraction. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Suppose 6,340 minus 0 is equal to 6,340. इसका मतलब यह है कि किसी नंबर में से अगर 0 को माइनस करते हैं तो वही सेम नंबर आता है. प्लीज नोट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. Second property of subtraction. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. 2,359 minus 1 is equal to 2,358. कि किसी नंबर में से अगर 1 माइनस करते हैं तो जिसमें से 1 माइनस करते हैं उसी का प्रीडेसर नंबर आता है. Number 3, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. कि अगर किसी नंबर में से उसी नंबर को माइनस किया जाता है तो आंसर 0 आता है. जैसे कि 1,750 माइनस 1,750 is equal to 0. Please note down in your notebook. Our next content is subtraction without borrowing. 41,262 minus 20,140. We start subtraction from the ones place of the number. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Our required answer is 21,122. Our next question is 77,987 minus 54,633. We always start subtraction from the ones place. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 23,354 is our required answer. Our next question is 86,985 minus 74,202. We always start subtraction from the ones place of the number. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Our required answer is 12,783. Our next question is 35,217 minus 22,007. We always start subtraction from the ones place. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Our required answer is 13,210. Please note down in your notebook. Our next content is subtraction with borrowing. 94,563 minus 65,160. We start subtraction from the ones place. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 में से 5 माइनस नहीं हो सकता, तो हम 9 से बोरो लेंगे. इस तरह 14 बन जाएगा. 14 माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 9. अब यहाँ पर 9 नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि 9 जो है उसने 1 बोरो 4 को दे दिया है. तो अब यहाँ पर 8 रह जाएगा. 8 में से 6 माइनस करेंगे 2 आएगा. Our required answer is 29,403. Our next question is 52,068 minus 28,961. We start subtraction from the ones place. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. अब 0 में से 9 माइनस नहीं हो सकता, तो 2 से बोरो लेंगे. यहाँ पर 10 बन जाएगा. 10 में से 9 माइनस करेंगे 1. अब यहाँ पर 2 नहीं रहेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि 2 ने यहाँ पर 1 बोरो दे दिया है, तो यहाँ पर 1 रह जाएगा. अब 1 में से 8 माइनस नहीं हो सकता, तो 5 से बोरो लेंगे, तो यहाँ 11 बन जाएगा. 11 माइनस 8 इज इक्वल टू 3. यहाँ पर 5 नहीं रहेगा, अब 4 रह जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि 5 ने 1 बोरो यहाँ पर 2 को दिया था, इसलिए. तो 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Our required answer is 23,107. Our next question is 97,851 minus 72,968. We start subtraction from the ones place. 1 में से 8 माइनस नहीं हो सकता. 1 जो है 5 से बोरो लेगा, तो यहाँ पर 11 बन जाएगा. 11 माइनस 8 इज इक्वल टू 3. अब यहाँ पर 5 नहीं होगा क्योंकि इसने यहाँ पर 1 बोरो दिया था, तो यहाँ पर 4 रह जाएगा. 4 में से 6 माइनस नहीं जा सकता. 4 8 से बोरो लेगा, यहाँ पर 14 बन जाएगा. 14 माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 8. अब यहाँ पर 8 नहीं रहेगा, 7 हो जाएगा. 7 में से 9 नहीं जा सकता, तो 7 से बोरो लेगा, 17 बन जाएगा. 17 माइनस 9 इज इक्वल टू 8. अब यहाँ पर 7 नहीं रहेगा, 6 हो जाएगा. 6 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Our required answer is 24,883. Our next question is 85,435 minus 62,142. We start subtraction from the ones place. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 में से 4 माइनस नहीं हो सकता, तो बोरो लेंगे 4 से, 13 बन जाएगा. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. यहाँ पर अब 3 रह जाएगा, 3 - 1 = 2, 5 - 2 = 3, 8 - 6 = 2. Our required answer is 23,293. Please note down in your notebook. Now it's time for your homework. This is question number 1. Please note down and do it in your mathematics copy. This is question number 2 of your homework. Please note it down and do it in your mathematics copy. आज की क्लास में बस इतना ही। अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में मिलेंगे। थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे।